Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you through how to download your video from a SubMagic website. So let's dive right in. So first, open the SubMagic website via the provided link in the description and create your account. Once you have created your account, click on the Create button. Next, click on the Upload box and select the desired videos from your computer. Then, click on the Language drop-down and select the desired language used in the video. After that, click on the Transcribe button. This process may take a short time to transcribe your video into text. Now, once your video has been successfully imported, you can choose a caption style. SubMagic will apply this caption style to your video. Now, let's move towards exporting the video. At the top right corner, you will find the Export button. Click on it. This process may take a short time to ready your video for download. Once the process is complete, you will find the Download button. Simply click on it, and you can download this video to your computer. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to download your video from the SubMagic website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you for watching.